In an hour, it's approximately 1,000 rupees. So if you talk about a day, we run the van for around maybe 5 to 6 hours. So it's like 6,000 rupees an hour. It was in August 2018, I believe. So we thought of coming up with something which we can serve like the fresh, the hygienic meal to everyone who is in need. From August, we started gunning and we started the van from January 1st, 2019. We wanted to serve something which would be really fresh and the hygienic meal to the needy people. I want to serve the people which even I can eat at home, right? Which we eat at home, in fact. So that was the basic idea behind it, and we are really happy that we've been able to serve them with the fresh meal. This van has currently served around 1.5 lakh people in 3 months' time. So see, if one van can serve around 50,000 people a month, you can well imagine with 10 of this kind of vans all over the country, we'll be able to serve around 50 lakhs people a year.